Hi, I'm Craig Stewart from Dalebrook Media, and I'm joined by the lead sponsors of our Data Leaders Exchange events that are happening next week, Tuesday and Thursday, the 8th and 10th of March in Johannesburg and Cape Town, respectively. So it's a partnership between Slipstream Data and WhereScape. And yeah, big thanks to the guys for being our lead sponsors and sort of being involved in such a great event and our first event that's coming up. So joining me from Slipstream is Andrew Milner, and from WhereScape, Corne Potgieter. And with them is Jean-Andre Dutoy, who is from MultiChoice, who will be joining them on their session, really looking at the future of data architecture. So Corne, let's start with you. A bit of an introduction from your side. You'll be having a conversation with Jean-Andre and Joburg.
Hi, yes, I'm Corne Potgieter, a solution architect at WhereScape. Very excited to be at an in-person event again for the first time in 2 years. For me, it will be. So I'm going to be having a conversation with Jean-Andre about their case study, their usage of WhereScape, and a lot about the way they structured their teams and really the benefits about that. So yes, looking forward to it, and happy to get on site again.
Yeah, absolutely. Looking forward to it. So we've got a really good audience coming to both events, senior data analytics people. I think everyone's just going to be super excited to be out at a physical event again. Jean-Andre, let's come to you. You're the lead for modern data architecture at MultiChoice. And it's so great when one of our sponsors brings on a client to come and talk about the work that they've done. Maybe a bit of introduction into yourself, and I guess what modern data architecture means to you.
Yeah, sure. As you mentioned, I'm the lead for modern data architecture. I guess it's modernizing data architecture as we know it, right? So there's an old traditional way of doing business intelligence and data warehousing and so forth. And the idea of my role is to say, how do we take it into the future? What's the next level type of stuff we can do? And so at MultiChoice, we've got a vision of getting deeper insights faster. And how do you do this? And one of the ways that we've decided to approach the problem is looking at automation. So what we'll do is we'll have a bit of a discussion with WhereScape and chat about how we approached automation, how automation differs from the way we used to do things, the benefits we're seeing, some of the challenges, and so forth. But I'm very excited to share some of the insights around what we've done, what we've achieved, and what we're planning on achieving in the future.
All right, perfect. So I look forward to that. It actually ties in nicely to a later session that we've got around increasing speed to insight. So I think it's a really good flow through the course of the day. So Jean-Andre, I look forward to it. That's going to be really awesome. We'll make sure that the audience gets really engaged. And Andrew, let's close off with you. Slipstream Data, local business here in South Africa and our lead sponsor. What can we expect from your side?
Yeah, really excited to be part of the event and talk about modern data architectures. We've been in the game for quite a while. Slipstream's been around for about 15 years, both looking at the data exploitation side, trying to change analytical cultures and get businesses to become more agile with their data, as well as trying to build more agile data infrastructures. Working with Jean-Andre at MultiChoice, trying to get the message of automation out into the marketplace to get organizations to start seeing how they can use it more effectively to build these agile infrastructures. So I'm really looking forward to hearing all of the feedback from the audience and have a great chat with Jean-Andre.
All right, perfect. Jens, thanks so much. I look forward to seeing you next week, Tuesday at the Radisson Blue in Sandton, Johannesburg, and then Thursday at the Forum Embassy Hill in Constantia, which is just a fantastic venue. Anybody that's in the Cape Town area and data analytics, come for the great conversation, but the venue itself will be pretty spectacular. So guys, keep well. Thanks very much. We'll see you next week.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.